Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your video as an image in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my project in my CapCut PC application. And first of all, we need to choose a part of the video we want to export as an image. And for example, I'm going to select this end part of this video. So we can place this pointer here and we can go to this menu, there's three lines, and here we will see export still frames. Select this menu and you can choose the format of the image. You can choose either PNG or JPEG, and I'm just going to choose PNG. And you can select the location you want to save the image, and once you're ready to export it, you can click on export. Okay, and now the image has been exported, and I'm going to check it in my folder. It's here. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to export our video as an image in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!